Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connection method so nothing interrupts pairing. Plug a USB cable if wired, or insert fresh batteries if wireless, and plug the official Xbox 360 wireless receiver into a PC USB port. Once done, let Windows detect the device. Make sure drivers install automatically or run the Xbox 360 driver installer. You should see a device-ready notification. Then press and hold the controller guide button for a moment to wake it up and prepare for sync. Now pair your controller to the receiver. First, press the small sync button on the receiver. Its LED will begin flashing. Next, press the sync button on the controller until the four-corner LEDs cycle. This signals it's searching. Make sure the receiver stays flashing. When the controller and receiver find each other, LEDs will stop and one segment will stay lit, showing the player slot. If Windows completes driver setup at this stage, you're nearly ready to use the controller in games. Finish by verifying functionality. Open Control Panel devices and printers, right-click the controller game controller settings properties, and test buttons and sticks. If anything is unresponsive, resync by pressing the receiver then controller sync buttons again. Make sure batteries are charged or test a different USB port. Driver issues often cause failure, so update or reinstall the Xbox 360 receiver driver when needed. If it still fails, reboot the PC and retry the sync process from the start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.